Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss part 6 of your class 11th commerce, and the topic which is being discussed is business as an economic activity. Why business is an economic activity? We have studied the definition that every activity which is done for earning profit or money, that is a business, but it should be a legal one. We have already discussed this. If somebody is stealing something and selling for profit, that is also an activity where he is earning profit, he is earning money, but that will not be called a business because it is not a legal one. So here are 3 points which clears this statement and or correct this statement that business is an economic activity. First is, the object of business is to sell goods and services for profit. The main objective of any business is to earn profit. So economic activities are those activities which are undertaken to generate the income, and business is an economic activity because it is also done for income, for generating income. Businessmen make money by producing and selling of commodities. So it is very clear that because business has one of the motives of earning profit, so it becomes an economic activity. Second, use of scarce resources. Scarce resources are those resources which are limited, which are not free provided by nature, which are limited. Those resources are called scarce resources. So business activities involve use of scarce resources. Business activities require use of scarce resources such as raw material, labor, capital, and other factors of production. A businessman provides the necessary funds from his personal or other sources to meet the capital requirement of business. He provides finance to the business, he provides sometimes raw material to the business and other capitals or goods for meeting the requirement of business. So a businessman uses the resources either from his own pocket or from other means of sources for meeting the requirement of business. So business is an activity where there is a use of scarce resources. So it also tells that business is an economic activity because every economic activity uses the scarce resources. Now third, business activities satisfy the needs of public as well as of businessmen. A businessman produces or sells those goods or services to the public which is needed by the public, which is the requirement of public. It satisfies human wants by providing them those goods or services which are required by them. And then a businessman earns money, and by this money, this businessman satisfies his or her own needs, own requirements. He fulfills his own wants. So it is an activity which satisfies the needs of public as well as of businessmen. So here this topic also ends. Next lecture we will be studying objectives of business. Till then, thank you and goodbye.